By the end of this short video, you will know exactly how to use the mirror command, and I'll also show you a few pro tips. To access the mirror tool, you can click on this button at the top of your screen in the modify section, or you can type in MI and spacebar for the shortcut. Now we have the mirror tool out, we can highlight the geometry that we want to mirror, and you can hold shift and re-highlight the geometry that you didn't want to select. Once everything is correctly selected, right click or spacebar to continue onto the next stage of the tool, where we will now place our mirror line. I'll be using these dotted lines as my mirror line, so I'll click the top of this and the bottom of the line, and now you should be able to see a preview. And after the second click, you will be given the option to erase the source objects. Clicking yes will delete the original selection, whereas if I was to click no to that, the original selection will be left alone. Not only can we mirror vertically and horizontally, we can also use a diagonal line to mirror, but the angle of the mirror is very important, so make sure that when you are drawing in your line that it is drawn in at exactly 45 degrees, and you can do this by pressing tab to access the input field and typing in 45. The angle also matters when you're doing vertical and horizontal lines, so make sure that you have ortho mode selected at the bottom here, clicking this icon or F8 for the shortcut. This helps when you're using the mirror command without actually drawing in the mirror lines, since you need the mirror line to be accurate for a good result. As you can see, when I turn off the ortho mode and start my mirror line, even when this input field shows 90 degrees, it won't be perfect. So even though it showed 90 degrees, if I use a dimension and create a line between the two of these, you'll see that the lines are 0.34 degrees off. This is below 1 degree, but when we're talking about working with angles, 1 degree is all it takes to make a big difference. My last tip to you, which I think is the most useful, is when you're actually creating your mirror line, this is effectively the middle point between your two symmetrical sides. So if I want to start my mirror 500 mil away from my original spot, I'll just type in 500 on a line, making sure to draw it in so it's perfectly straight in ortho mode. And now when I come to use my mirror tool, I can just create that starting from the midpoint of my line, and now it is exactly 500 mil away. Subscribe if this was helpful. Let me know what you want to learn in the comments, and check the description for the architectural blocks and hatches download form. Once filled out, the file will automatically be sent to you.